Hello, welcome back again to this channel, Uz Vlog Zone. So ang channel na ito guys ay from Australia and I am from the Philippines. So it's more than 7 years now na wala ako sa Pinas, but sometimes umuwi naman ako dun. Noong after ng pandemic 2022, nakauwi ako dun sa family ko. But this time I'm here in Australia, nag-aaral. At luckily, na-approve naman yung visa ko. But this time guys, medyo stricto na ang immigration dito. So, nangangailangan ng malaking pera kapag ikaw ay nasa labas ng Australia at gusto mag-apply ng student visa. At hindi ka na rin pwedeng mag-apply ng student visa kung ikaw ay naka-tourist visa dito sa Australia. So the best decision would be you need to prepare a lot of money, your money. If you are applying for a student visa, so you must be applying outside Australia this time. Kasi nga kung ikaw ay naka-multiple entry visa or tourist visa dito sa Australia, you cannot convert your tourist visa to student visa at the moment. Kasi nga sobrang stricto dito ngayon. But since isi-share ko na lang sa inyo kung ano ang magiging benefits kapag ma-approve naman ang visa ninyo outside from Australia for student visa. So it will be a great opportunity kung ma-approve naman ang visa ninyo dito for another temporary visa after your graduation or after getting your course like certificate to diploma. Then after that you can have a graduate visa at the age of 35 years old, and beyond that hindi na rin pwede mag-apply ng graduate visa kung ang edad mo ay 35 years old. So ganun ka problematic ngayon ang mga international students dito sa Australia. Well anyways, ang immigration naman ay every now and then nagbabago-bago yung isip nila at nagbabago yung policies nila. Kaya wag lang kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Kasi nga, ang pagiging student mo dito sa Australia is another step, another journey for your goal in life. Kung gusto mong manatili dito or gusto mo lang mag-aral, and after that, going back home, then proceed another journey of your life in there, having this certificate or degrees from Australia. So guys, kinakailangan mo na magiging genuine ka lang sa pagpasok mo dito sa Australia. Kasi nga kahit may pera ka man dyan sa labas, nag-a-apply ka papunta dito for student visa, kung ang genuine mo naman interest or we call it GSC sign. So it's a kind of letter to convince the immigration officer that after your study here in Australia, will come back home. So kailangan ayusin mo lang yung pagkasulat mo. Anyways, kung gagamit ka naman ng agency dyan sa labas ng Australia, ay i-check naman nila yun. But still, we have to pray. Kasi nga iba-iba ang utak ng immigration officer. So yeah, don't lose hope. Kung nabalitaan ninyo na parang wala ng chance dahil sa malaking pera na kailangan yung ipresenta sa immigration, at yung IELTS pa guys, malaki na rin or mataas na rin ang score na kinakailangan kapag papasok ka dito sa Australia kung ikaw ay naka-student visa. Depende sa degree o course mo na kukunin dito. So hindi na talaga basta-basta guys. So yeah, so maybe next time I will share you some updates of my studies here in Australia. But at the moment I have to stop this video for a while kasi mag-travel pa ako. So happy Sunday all. Take care and God bless. Bye bye for now.